In the middle, centre half. Wayno, Adam, wing backs, Penson, move into the middle of the park with Dino and Nevins.
Unlucky, mate.
Okay, Ad, just up and down, Wayno, 15 minutes. Penson, yeah? To gamble here then, lads, come on, what we got, come on!
How long we got?
Go on then. Yeah, correct.
About 10 left, something like that.
Go on, Sean, get in that hole, Moss, we're alright, aren't we? Come on!
Come on, ref!
Ref! You!
Work back!
Go on! Stay on, George!
Oh my God! Go on, George! You! Go on, George!
Come on, work him! Big 10 minutes! Gaze off! Okay, you've got it, Keith! You got it! Come on, big 10 minutes! Come on! Come on! Good kick, Tom!
Come on, Dino! Oh, what a touch! Oh, come on!
Oh my God.
Dino, that's a touch, that is.
Unlucky Dino! Get Dino up front.
Got two behind him. Dino!
Get Dino up
Push
front.
right on for this last
Ryan.
10 minutes. Keep Penson
Spent,
sitting
innit?
behind you. You be
Get
at point
fucking
in the
Ryan off,
break.
put me in centre midfield and put Dino in front.
Fucking absolutely. Oh, I'd love that. Is he listening?
No.
Get Tone on.
Yeah, we've made mistakes. That's right. No, we won't. We won't. The second goal shouldn't have been given, Mosh, for a start. It absolutely killed us. That is the winner!
You've got to at least get it on target.
There's no way he's swearing here. He's got to score. He's got to score, and he's a centre forward. He's got to square. He's got to test the keeper.
It's unlike him to fuck it up like that, isn't it?
Yeah.